Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. I'm hopping on today with a, believe it or not, I can't believe it, but let me tell you what it is. It's a Chanel unboxing. I am so in shock myself that even my husband was like, did you order something from Chanel? I was like, yes, I did. But guys, wait till you see what it is because, you know, I'll show, it's pricey, but let me show you what it is. So here is the Chanel that I ordered, and I am so happy, you guys, that I got this because it was very hard to acquire. Okay, look at this. This is actually Chanel Beauty, so as you can imagine, it's pricey. I'm not, but it's not, you know, it's not those astronomical prices of a purse. This is not a purse, this is makeup. So let me just, you know, preface by saying that. Okay, so look at this beautiful envelope that they sent, by the receipt inside, but I just love the little details. So yeah, this is the receipt and it comes in this beautiful envelope here. Gorgeous. Okay, and then here's the return sticker if you need to return. Oh, look at all this stuff. I didn't realize I got so much stuff. Okay, because there's a few things on here. So let me go ahead and unbox it and show you beauties. It comes in this beautiful drawstring pouch, which is I've never seen before. So actually you could use this as a purse, as a beach bag, or, you know, it is, you don't want it to get dirty because it's white, but look, it looks like one of those you know, like those tote bags, like this doesn't this look like that Chanel bag? What is the name of it? You know, that new bag that they came out with, that some people say looks like a garbage bag, but you know, it looks like the cutest little Chanel tote purse. I'm using that as a purse, I don't care. Okay, here's some tissue paper. So let's just put that aside. And then here is, they sent me a sample of the Le Volume de Chanel mascara, which I've tried and I love. And then here is, oh, this is it. Now, I cannot say this right, I'm almost 100% sure, but this is a collection of 3 brushes that they came out with, makeup brushes. But wait until you see these brushes. Oh my goodness, there's something very special about them. That's what, when I saw them, I was like, I need that. Oh, here's another. This is something else from this collection that they came out with. It's okay, I don't know how can I describe it to you? Okay, let me just finish. Oh, here's another one. I got 2, one for a giveaway. Okay, wait till I show you this. Now, when you see this, you're gonna probably say, girl, I see why you went crazy for it. All right, let me unbox it. I just saw a peek of it. Here we go. Oh, do you see that? It's this beautiful, oh my God, this is beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? It says Chanel on it and the logo on top. This is a makeup bag, and then inside is the brushes. And I had the pink one in my cart, and I had it in my cart. I was trying to check out. I was gonna get something else, but then it was gone. These sold out in seconds. As soon as I got the email, I went to the website and everything was sold out. So I'm lucky I was able to get this, because actually after I ordered this one, the purple shade, the lavender shade, it's actually called Immortelle, I believe, it was sold out. So I'm so lucky that I got that. And then it comes in that case, the 3 beautiful makeup brushes, and I don't even want to use them, but I have to, because I can't live like that. I used to, but it feels so good on my skin. I used to not want to use stuff. I didn't want it to get dirty. I wouldn't want to get dirty, essentially. But this one, I gotta use it. It feels so good. That's what living is for, right? Enjoying things. So look at this brush for foundation and cream products. And then this brush here, let's see, what is this one for? I don't remember. Oh, is this it's a retractable eyeshadow brush. Oh, it's nice and firm, but also feels so good on my eye. Wow. These are beautiful. I'm so happy that I got this. It's absolutely gorgeous. And, you know, I'll put it in here and try not to let them, I don't want them to get dirty. I want them to stay. Oh, even the little case for the brushes has the beautiful CC logo. So I don't care. I like it. It makes me happy. So it just, you know, whatever you want to say, it does uplift me personally. So I was actually having a really hard time, and that's when this email came, and I was like, wow, this is worth it. This is beautiful. Oh, and then let me show you what else I got. So then they also had the coordinating mirror. Let's see what it looks like, guys. I just saw this color though and I was in love. In love. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my god, that's beautiful. Oh, it's a double-sided mirror. And this beautiful color, which, you know, it's meant to be because this is my birthstone color. So it was meant to be. I actually love it because at first I wanted the pink. I actually did get something from the pink collection though. Let me show you in a moment. But yeah, I was wanting to have the matching set. So but they had one pink item in stock. So I was like, let me get it because I just love pink the most. And okay, so I did get a pink one. Let's see what it looks like. I'm so happy though, you guys, with the purple. Oh, okay, I'm so happy. So here is the pink, and it's actually looking more like a blush tone. Nude. I would call this a nude, but it's beautiful. Wow. But actually, but in reality, and now on the website, I like the pink better. But in real life, I have to say this is truly such a beautiful color. I don't know if I could use it. I might have to just put it on in my beauty space. It's just too beautiful, guys. Would you use it? This is from the collection. What is it? Codes du Couleur. Couleur. Couleur de Code. I don't remember exactly. It was a collection though that they just came out with. As soon as I got the email, you have to get on the site, otherwise it will be sold out. So I'm so lucky. I'm so happy I got this color now, and it's definitely meant to be because again, this is my birthstone color, amethyst. So I'm beyond thrilled, and I'm putting it in my beauty space or my closet. I might have to put it in my closet because it's humid. I'm crazy with my stuff, you guys. I don't want it to be in the humidity because I've had it in the humidity, different things, and it kind of gets warped. And it's very humid here in my beauty room, but this is in the basement, but upstairs in my beauty room, it's nice and cool temperature. That's where I keep my purses. So I'm just gonna have to put this with my purses because this is too beautiful to leave. I would love to leave it here, but I can't because it's my baby. These are my little baby treasures. So anyway, beauties, did you guys pick anything up? Let me look it up exactly what it was called. So I'm not sure, from what I can read here, Le Pinceau, I believe it's maybe pencil case. The pencil case, is that what it means? Guys, let me know down below if you speak French, if you're familiar with it. But there was another name for it though. So actually, beauties, I was just reading on the site, this is actually leather. So that's why, you know, it does feel very nice in your hands. And so it is actually leather. And from what I can see, there was a lot of different colors to choose from, but many of them they do seem to be sold out. This color is sold out. There was Rouge Noir, which is sold out. That was a beautiful kind of burgundy, blood red shade. Oh, just absolutely gorgeous. And oh, there was a beautiful kind of fluorescent yellow or fluorescent green shade. I really was wanting that, but they're all sold out, I think, from what I can see here. So hopefully, and they did originally retail for $160. I know a lot of people buy these though and resell them on eBay and things like that when they have these limited edition collections, and they sell them for 3, 4, 5 times the original cost. You know, but there was a gray color. So there was so many. If you get it, sign up for email alerts if you like Chanel Beauty, because when they have these special collections, the holiday collection was sold out probably within an hour. So if you get the email, and go ahead and get to the website right away if you want to order something. Oh, there was a beautiful navy blue color, also sold out. So I think everything from this collection was sold out. I wish I could remember the original name of it. Couleur. I believe the original collection was called Codes Couleur. So and then there was also a nail file with this beautiful color, which I was thinking about getting, but I didn't feel good about it because I know it would have just been a collector's thing. I just feel like it would have been, I wouldn't have used it. I just would have looked at it and things like that. So yeah, so apparently this was the Codes Couleur. Is that how you say it? Let me know. Down below. Yeah, so absolutely beautiful. Let me know if you've picked one up. Do you have a color? If you do, and you even made a video, please link it down below so I want to personally see it. I'm sure a lot of people would love to see how the color that you might have gotten looks, you know, different from online, because I think this the pink surprised me because I thought I would love the pink, but this is it's more of a very, very pale pink nude. So actually I'm so happy I got this. This one is much more me because I like bright colors and things like that. So thank you, beauty, so much for coming and spending time with me today. I wanted to just quickly have a $25 Ulta or Sephora gift card giveaway. So make sure you're a subscriber and give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video, and comment hashtag GlamFam down below to be entered to win a gift card. So that's pretty much it. Thank you, beauty, so much for checking out my Chanel unboxing today, and I will see you, beauties, very soon. Bye!